Hello there. So I'm here to teach you now how to use this e-commerce website. We call it WooCommerce. Let me just check my recording real quickly here. Perfect. So what is WooCommerce? It is another website you can edit your own e-commerce website. It is a tool that you can make your own website. Technically it's just powered by WordPress, but it's on a different level than WordPress, okay? So let me just browse here before we get into it. I have 6 reasons for you to use WooCommerce. And then on those 6 reasons, we can go through them one by one in the next video or the upcoming video. Anyway, just a quick browsing about this one. First thing is, of course, search this website. It's gonna be WooCommerce.com. You can just type this in. Please don't copy this one. This is for a website that has an account already. So if you click on this one, you'll be redirected on the account creation. Just create your account using your active Gmail address or an email that you have, and then this should be your landing page. I'm showing you this one to show you the best qualities of WooCommerce. So the best part is there is a built-in CEO, social advertising, automated customer emails. There's a lot actually, but personally, this is the best part. I know there's a lot of built-in CEO in other e-commerce website or a creation of website using e-commerce, but this WooCommerce.com has the best use for SEO. I'm sorry, yes, that's gonna be SEO. So for all of those e-commerce or social media managers out there, they understand this. It's a very important part on using e-commerce. Anyway, once you're here, just try for free, and once done, it's gonna load creating your store. So again, guys, I have a few steps here or a few reasons for you to choose WooCommerce. The very first one, of course, is it's already been shown earlier. It's free. In general, technically speaking, it's free. It has hidden charges. It has a few charges that, of course, that require subscription to access the full feature. But the big but here is the free feature isn't like the other websites that use a e-commerce website. The free feature for this WooCommerce is the best actually. And then the second step or the second reason for you to use this one, it's easy install. Technically, it's just going to a website, typing it in, and then making an account, and that's it. You cannot beat free and easy, right? Free and easy is always the best way to go. So as you can see here, you must verify your email to sign in with WordPress. So I've used this email right here, so I really suggest you use a proper email here. So let me just check my email right here real quickly. Give me a second, okay? Because they're gonna send you a code that will ask you to verify your email. Let me just check my dummy email right here. Give me a second here, guys. And there you go. Confirm my email. So I really suggest you use an active email that you have access to. Again, the third reason is, of course, the first and second one. It's easy and it's free. That's the best feature, right? So as you can see here, there's a days left in trial. That's very visible, but don't worry, if the trials end, it's still a free usage but with minimum features, and those minimum features are actually the best features compared to other websites. Anyway, the third reason is there are reports built in. Not unlike any other website, there isn't any reports, or if there's a report, it's not that accurate, it's not that friendly. And the fourth reason for this one is gonna be endless products. What do I mean by endless products? As you can see here, it says promote your products, but another website or another e-commerce websites, there's only a few products that you can sell, a few variants. However, in this website, as long as you can maintain it, as long as you can go on with it, as long as you can suffice it, you can sell even 1,000,000 variant. You heard me right? There is an endless product variations on this WooCommerce website. So the fifth one is, as we showed earlier, it is SEO accessible, which is very important. I'm sorry, that's gonna be the fifth reason. So the last reason for this one is the endless library plugins. You heard me right? Plugins are necessary for e-commerce to boost the sales, to boost the exposure, and with WooCommerce, there is an endless plugins categories. So this is just a preview of the WooCommerce website on how to create an account, the reasons to use it, and we can go through them one by one on the following videos, okay? So this is the landing page that you should see. This is the reports. This is the SEO accessible option. Anyway, that's it. This is WooCommerce, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.